Friends, we are gathered together in the sight of God to witness and bless the joining together of Dionel and Shellou and Christian marriage. The covenant of marriage was established by God, who created us male and female for each other with His presence and power. Now we shall witness the beginning of the new life together with Dionel and Shellou, who have found a love so deep and true. As you now on the presence of God and these people to declare your intention to enter into the union with one another through the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, who has called you into union Himself through baptism.
Nagkakilala kami sa hiking sa Mount Tagapo.
And then, after nung hike na yon, doon na siya nagparamdam sa akin na nung nakita niya ako sa bundok, nagustuhan na daw niya ako.
Ang first time ko siyang nakita, na mesmerize ako sa ganda niya. Mabait, tapos madaling lapitan.
Yung feeling po nung una ko siyang nakilala, akala ko isa din siya sa mga lalaki, hindi seryoso. Pero nung pinakita niya talaga sa akin na seryoso siya sa akin. Tapos iba siya sa mga nakilala ko dati.
Nakausap ko siya. Doon ako na love at first sight. At sabi ko, eto na, natagpuan ko na yung soulmate ko at one day, yung babaeng pakakasalan ko.
Hi, Mahal. Thank you for having me today. I'm so thankful that we met and found my significant other. Please accept this gift as a symbol of my unconditional love, respect, and value of our fruitful relationship. I wish you to always have good health and continue to strive for your goals. And rest assured that I'm always beside you, taking the journey together through the chapters of our love story. I love you to the moon and back and promise to love you more and more each day. With love, Lost. Sana all. Kita ko sa kanya yung katangian ni Papa. Yung pagiging responsable, family-oriented, tsaka yung pagmamahal niya kay Mama. Siya yung lalaki na nagpakita talaga sa akin na, ay, ang galing mo, bilib ako sa'yo, na kaya mo yun. Yung ganun. So parang doon ako na-fall sa kanya na iba siya sa lahat.
Napaka-caring niya, understanding, supportive siya sa lahat ng activities ko, nature ng trabaho ko. Hindi siya nag-fail na ma-surprise ako. Feeling ko pagkasama ko siya, ako yung best version ng sarili ko. Our day is finally here. After 3 months of planning, it is finally here. All of our friends and family are here to join us in celebrating this happy day. So, I hope we don't mess up anything. Although that could be a little funny, I'm pretty sure that this wedding is everything I ever imagined. I can't wait for you to see me walking down the aisle in the dress I finally chose after trying so many on for the last few months. And the tux you are wearing, you look so handsome in it, standing at the end of the aisle waiting for me. I love you.
Worst side ko, pinakita ko na sa kanya and nakita ko na siya kung paano niya ako i-handle. For better and for worst, kaya niya pa rin akong mahalin, good and bad side ko po.
Wala nang intro-intro. Shellou Grace, I love you at mamahalin kita hanggang wakas.
Eto, sobrang excited ko na maging wife mo ko. Kaya mahal, see you. I love you.
Shellou, mahal, my woman version of myself, my queen and the one who motivates me and make my day. When I'm with you, I become the best version of myself, always. I'm complete, I'm fearless, and I'm a king. I know I have found the girl I will marry since the day we met on that mountain. Thank you for having me today and for fulfilling another chapter.
The trees they blew with cold remorse. Somehow I knew to no more. This could be our home if my heart would just not roam around. I think I found a place to settle down.
Marco, when I think back of my life before you, I remember a broken girl inside. A girl who longed for someone to love her the way she deserved to be loved. My definition of love was very misconstrued. I lived my life feeling unworthy of it and unlovable. Fast forward to our beautiful and abundant life today. You showed me that love does exist. It's a place where two people can be happy. It's a place where I can simply be myself. I have wondered to myself so many times what I did to deserve the pure and unconditional love that you showed me. What I have done so right to deserve to be your wife.
So could she this could
Long ago committed nurturing this kind of relationship, and today is just a public declaration of what has always been.
think I found a place to settle down. For all my going to wait, you say someday I'll have to stay. And your pretty face begs my hate to slow it.
Starting today, I would like to promise that the things you love about me will never change. On my watch, I promise to never allow a single problem get between us, and I promise to keep that spark always glowing, illuminating the chapters of our love story. I promise to continue our plans of adventures, to make history and collect memories. I promise you that I will never grow old or grow tired of loving and taking care of you, and once we have kids in the future. Lastly, I promise to become your soldier, always ready to serve and protect you, your friend, to listen whenever you're troubled, and to become the best husband I can be, loving you to the moon and back for eternity.
Place to settle.
You make me a better friend, sister, daughter, and a more kind and patient person. You make me feel safe, secure, and loved every single day. You change my world to a softer and more gentle space. Loving you has been the most rewarding experience of my life. Not only have you pushed me and motivated me to be better every day, but I have gotten to watch you transform into even more incredible and insightful and blissful human being. When I look at my life, I see grace, because God gave me a man I
Come
don't
and take
deserve.
my hand. Come and join me on this venture. And
Mahal
I'll
ko,
give you all
our love
I
story is so beautiful because it was written in heaven. As your wife, I vow to be your teammate. I promise to give you the space to grow as you have always given me. Today, I affirm my love for you and vow to share my life with you in everything. As we continue this journey together, I promise to love and to care for you, our future family. Seri, Axie, and Gray Gray, and any other pets that will undoubtedly join our future family. I choose you for all the triumphs and suffering and everything in between. I choose you, mahal ko, and only you. I love you so
help
much.
me find my way. You smile in the
Dionel,
sunshine.
will you have
As we're heading
Shellou to
towards
be
the
your wife, to live together in a holy marriage.
seem
Will
a
you love
new
her, honor and
reality.
keep her in
One where
sickness
I've
and in health, and
fallen
forsaking
for
all others,
you.
be faithful to her as long as you both shall
So
live?
we'll
Yes,
run
Father.
and make ours.
Shellou,
And I'll
will you
fall
have
back into
Dionel to be your
your
husband, to live
arms. And
together
I
in a
don't
holy
know,
marriage? Will you
think I
love
must be
him, honor and
falling
keep
in
him
love
in
with you.
sickness and in health, and forsaking all others,
In
be
love
faithful
with
to
you.
him as long as you both shall live?
Always took good care of our manang. So, mahal na mahal namin si ate kasi si ate talaga yung nag-set sa aming magkakapatid ng good example po na siya yung kinularan namin. Si ate, natagpuan niya na yung lalaking magiging katuwang niya sa buhay, man of her dreams, man of her life. Sana hindi kayo magbago kasi kung ano yung nasimulan ninyo hanggang ngayon nakikita namin ganun na ganun kayo.
Ang masasabi ko lang dito po, mabait po ito si Losabio at maasahan talaga. Kasi nagkasama po kami, hindi lang po sa training, civilian days pa po, college, talagang mabibigyan niyo yung tiwala kay Brother Luz. Yun lang po, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat, enjoy po tayo.
Pour out love, pour out your love, come on, pour out love like a river running wild and free.
Ko, panganay sa 8 kong anak. Sa mga problema namin sa pamilya, hindi nagsusuko. Pag may anak siya, gusto ko marami yung anak niya kagaya ng mother niya. Sa patingin ko, mabait din siya. Napakaswerte yung anak ko. Kasi yung ibang asawa niya, ang sana magtagal kayo habang buhay, kahit tumanda kayo.
Let's make amends. Move on.
Sana ang masabi ko sa inyo, mahirap at ginawa, ano man ang mga trial sa buhay, makayanan nyo. Ngayon ay proud ako sa panganay ko. Nakapangasawa na ang mga kapatid niya. Nandito pa rin ang puso kong anak para sa kanya na mapag-aral niya. Wala akong masabi, si Shellou, si Dionel, mga mabait na bata, patulungin sa magulang. I'm proud of that. Being my son, this magiging manugang ko, I'm proud of that.
Come on and pour out love like a river running wild and free. Yeah. Pour out love, pour out your love. Come on, pour out love, be the change that you're wanting to see. High on the mountain, low through the valley, deep in the canyon, down every road, yeah. Way past the pine trees, no, there's no place I wanna go, just to sing your love. Let the whole world know.